Creating a sacred garden, even in the smallest of spaces, can be a powerful act of healing and intention. Do you have a small area, patio, or garden space needing a touch of peace, purpose, and positive energy? In this video, we're exploring spiritual plants that thrive in containers and limited spaces, perfect for beginners, apartment dwellers, or anyone looking to nurture a mindful connection with nature. Stick around to the end for a special honorable mention of flowers that bring beauty and spiritual energy to even the tiniest spaces. Help the channel grow, like and subscribe. Let's begin with herbs, the ancient allies of healers and mystics. First is anise hyssop, also known as Agastache funiculum, a pollinator-friendly herb with tall violet blooms and a sweet licorice scent. It's visually stunning and spiritually energizing. Anise hyssop is associated with clarity, joy, and heart-based communication. Energetically, it supports the heart and throat chakras, helping you speak with compassion and express yourself authentically. On the scientific side, it contains powerful antioxidant compounds and is used in traditional herbal medicine to soothe coughs and digestive issues. With its uplifting aroma and ability to draw bees and butterflies, it quite literally invites life and joy into your space. Its compact size and upright growth make anise hyssop ideal for containers, allowing it to thrive in smaller spaces while attracting pollinators. Moving deeper into the realm of emotional healing, we have motherwort, or Leonurus cardiaca, a herb long tied to the divine feminine. Known for its calming properties, it grows well in medium-sized containers and partial sun. In spiritual practice, motherwort symbolizes protection, nurturing, and heart-centered healing. It's often used in rituals during times of emotional transition, whether it's motherhood, grief, or personal transformation. Scientifically, it contains alkaloids like leonurine, known for their relaxing effects on the nervous system and the heart, giving this herb both symbolic and physiological resonance. With its ability to grow well in partial sun and its moderate size, motherwort is perfect for a pot on a porch or windowsill, offering both spiritual and physical healing in a small footprint. Another protective powerhouse is rue, also known as Ruta graveolens, a plant with blue-green feathery leaves and a strong, bitter scent. Revered across the Mediterranean and Latin America, rue has been used for centuries to ward off the evil eye and banish negative energy. In spiritual households, it's often placed near doors or windows to serve as a guardian. Though potent and deeply symbolic, rue also contains the antioxidant rutin, which supports blood vessel health. However, it must be handled with care. Its oils can irritate the skin, and it should never be ingested in large amounts. Still, rue's aura of protection and resilience makes it a revered choice in spiritual gardens. Rue's drought tolerance and compact habit make it a great choice for containers, especially for those seeking protection, and a potent energy cleanser in limited space. As we transition into lighter, more uplifting energies, lemon verbena, or Aloesia citrodora, brings a burst of brightness. With its slender green leaves and lemony scent, this herb is ideal for mental clarity and purification. It thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, perfect for a sunny windowsill or patio pot. Metaphysically, it clears mental fog and brings emotional lightness, often used in rituals to purify a space or to support focus in meditation. Scientifically, lemon verbena is rich in antioxidants like citrol and verbascoside, compounds known to reduce stress and support digestion. It's a refreshing herb that nourishes both the body and the spirit. This herb's easy container growth and ability to flourish in full sun make it a perfect choice for adding uplifting energy and aromatic clarity to small spaces. From clarity, we move into the realm of love and psychic openness with lovage, or Levisticum officinale, a tall herb with celery-like leaves and a robust flavor. In European folklore, lovage was often added to spiritual baths to attract affection and open the heart to emotional healing. It's also considered a tool for enhancing intuition and inner vision. While less common in modern herb gardens, it adapts well to deep containers and grows vigorously in moist soil. On the scientific front, lovage is used to support urinary health and digestion, and its essential oils have antimicrobial benefits. Next, we arrive at borage, or Borago officinalis, a beautiful herb with blue star-shaped flowers and soft fuzzy leaves. Borage has long symbolized courage and emotional strength. In ancient Europe, it was added to wine before battle to steel the nerves. Energetically, it supports the solar plexus chakra, helping you access inner strength and face life's challenges with resilience. Thriving in sunny containers with its bright star-shaped flowers and moderate growth, borage is an excellent container plant that doesn't need much room to provide courage and emotional fortitude. As we near the end of our herbal journey, it's time to honor a few flowering plants that bring spiritual symbolism to container gardens. First up, we have petunias, which are often overlooked for their spiritual symbolism. These vibrant flowers, perfect for hanging baskets or small planters, represent cleansing, transformation, and connection to higher realms. Especially in purple and white hues, they align with the crown chakra and are thought to help release emotional baggage and negative thoughts. Their ability to bloom prolifically in compact spaces mirrors the spiritual truth that even small efforts can create meaningful beauty. Petunias thrive in hanging baskets and window boxes, making them perfect for small vertical spaces where they can purify and enhance spiritual connection. Finally, geraniums, particularly zonal or ivy types, offer a delightful mix of beauty and energetic purpose. These classic container flowers are often used in love spells and spiritual baths. Their leaves, especially scented varieties, are believed to invigorate energy fields and attract positivity. Geraniums flourish in small containers and hanging baskets, providing love, protection, and vibrant color while requiring minimal space. In conclusion, your spiritual garden doesn't have to be sprawling to be powerful. With just a few containers and some intentional plant choices, you can create a space that heals, protects, and uplifts. Thank you for watching. If you've tried any of these plants or have your own spiritual favorites, leave a comment below, like and subscribe.